Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a raccoon and grow a garden. Trying to get the raccoon pet and grow a garden? It's a divine tier pet from the Lunar Globe. Night egg event that duplicates a random fruit from another player's garden every 15 minutes without taking it. To get one, collect moonlit fruits at night and trade them with the wise owl for lunar points. Every 70 points gives you 2 night eggs up to 13 in total. Raccoon hatch rates are 0.1% from standard eggs and 1% from exotic or premium. You can also buy premium eggs, 199 Robux for one, 575 for three, or 1,700 for 10. To boost your chances, stack lunar points, go for 10-pack eggs hatched during 2 times raccoon drop events, and play on public servers with high-level players for better fruit copies. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.